Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install R and RStudio on Windows operating system. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here RStudio, download, hit enter. Here you need to click on this RStudio Desktop. It's going to redirect to this link. This link I am going to provide right on our video description. Here you need to scroll down and you will get first this installer and then install RStudio. So click on this download button for RStudio. RStudio is rightly started downloading and you will also need R. So for that you need to scroll down and here you will get download button for R. Click on this download button. It's going to redirect to this page. Here depending upon what operating system you are using, you need to proceed with that. For Windows just simply click on this download R for Windows and here just simply click on install R for the first time. So this is the latest version at the time of making of this video. Just simply click on this download button and immediately your R will get rightly started downloading. I have already downloaded it, so I'm going to cancel this. I'll minimize my browser. I'll go to my download directory. Here you can see both the product already I have downloaded. So this is R and this is RStudio. You need to first start with installing R. Just double click on the software. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes and click on OK. You can minimize your download directory and these are all license agreement. Read it and click on next. Click on next again, and you can proceed with the default setups. Click on next and click on next again. You can also select this create a quick launch shortcut. Just click on next and our installation for R is rightly began. And you can see that our R is now rightly installed. Click on finish. So that's how you install R. You can see the desktop shortcut also created over here. Next it's time to install RStudio. Just simply double click on that installer. It's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes. Welcome to RStudio setup. Click on next. Install. So our RStudio is rightly started installing. And there you go. Our RStudio is now rightly installed. Click on finish. So now both our R and RStudio is rightly installed. It's time to do a bit of coding. So go to search and type RStudio. So that will show you RStudio app over here. So click on that. Here is our RStudio. And it has rightly opened. You can maximize this. So here in this console you can write a simple R program. So I'm going to print hello world. So print hello world quote equal to false and hit enter. So that's going to give you the output on your console. So if you are getting this, then all that basically means is you have successfully installed R and RStudio and you can start your R programming right over here. So that's how you install R. Please do subscribe our channel Geeky Script and also join our community for more such videos. And if you're interested in Python, I highly recommend you to follow the School Python project playlist. So all these videos are completely free and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website. So do check all these different videos. I'm sure you are going to love them. So that is basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.